Isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that. Give me the number if you can find it, so I can call just to tell 'em I'm fine and to show I've overcome the blow. I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. But that's not the way it feels. Hey. Hey, BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
Welcome back. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Isn't that right, sweetie?
Oh, yeah.
And I'm here today with the lovely and talented Natasha. Take it on, BOOZHOO, sweetie.
BOOZHOO, everyone. How you doing? Welcome back to the show.
And today, what are we doing today?
We're going to do like a review of the 7 Anishinaabe values.
All right. Today's Ojibwe words of the day. Last week we just ran down the 7 grandfather teachings. And for anyone who hasn't, if you're new to the channel, we like to teach Ojibwe language and culture. And so for the last week or so, we've been talking about the 7 grandfather teachings. So for your kids, these are the values of the Anishinaabe. And let's just run down. I'm not, this video is going to get long if we talk about each one.
Yeah.
So just for your references, this is how you say the values in Ojibwe. All right. You want to trade off, like back and forth?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right. So in no particular order. Number 1, honesty. GWAYAKWAADIZIWIN. GWAYAKWAADIZIWIN. All right, you do the next one.
Number 2, humility. DABAADENDIZIWIN. DABAADENDIZIWIN. Humility.
Ah, very good. And then there's truth. And in Ojibwe, you say DEBWEWIN. DEBWEWIN. Truth.
Number 4, NIBWAAKAAWIN. Wisdom. NIBWAAKAAWIN. Wisdom.
Number 5, ZAAGI'IDIWIN. ZAAGI'IDIWIN. Love. ZAAGI'IDIWIN.
What number is it?
I think it's 6.
Number 6, respect. MANAADENDAMOWIN. MANAADENDAMOWIN. Respect.
And finally, we come to AQUADEWIN. AQUADEWIN. Bravery. AQUADEWIN. Bravery. And there you have it. Those are the 7 Anishinaabe values, or what they call the grandfather teachings. So look into those things, kids. If you get a handle on the values, you have a good life. All right, you want to add anything, sweetie?
No, that's pretty good.
Okay then. Well, hey, carry on, my wayward son and daughter and brothers and sisters and cousins. Just want to say thank you for watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Igawabamin, Minawa, Owa. Carry on, my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more.
Oh! Na 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 na